Tuesday, 11th of June. And yeah, this is my current trade. I think I'm going to be at break even, but that's not a problem. At the end, I had a good trading day. It was super straight and fast decision. And here's how I take my decision. So I'm new trading in GBP, to be honest with myself. But the strategy I apply in the same style. So this was my trading range, even when I was in a good area of discount area. So meaning that in this area, I will look for buys, and in this area, I will search for sells. Today, I was expecting a bearish movement based on the news. So if I look here, I have it this claimant count change. So this is how much people unemployed is asking for help. The previous was 8.4, the forecast was 10.2, and the actual was 50.4. So this is a little bit not good numbers for GBP, even the unemployment rise at 0.1%. So it was completely bearish my option. So I decided to take my bearish option. Let's explore here what the chart said. So I went to my 15 minutes chart, and yesterday I have mapped this level from here, from 4 hours order block. And today I saw that it was completely respect yesterday during New York. I didn't want to enter my trade. So today, when I saw my chart around 7:30 or so, the level was already mitigated. But as I thought, and as I got this idea of the thing's gonna be bearish for today based on the numbers, like I'm completely bearish. I don't understand. I mean, I do understand why these things is going up, you know. Banks and institutions, even when you have bad numbers, they start to buying. This is only institutional force. This is not because of they are respecting the rules. They are respecting the macroeconomics. They are just, yeah, playing their cards, how they best benefit from them. And I think that that's how economy works, right? It's like just for interests of the people who has the power to do what their interests are. But we are here for technical analysis and not for prophecies. So yeah, I took my short here. And as I'm new in the GBP, in my backtesting sessions, I was using 66 as a stop loss. And if I were using my 66 today, I will be completely out with a winning trade. Sadly, I'm a noob here, and that's why I'm recording these videos, because I want to enforce other people that maybe is also learning. Maybe we can go along with our experiences and trade, conceive better trades tomorrow, right? So yeah, pretty much this will be my break-even trade. Also, I do my analysis. I did my analysis and euro dollar in this morning. I have the same trade here. I have the same trade here, but I didn't want to put this trade. To be honest, I want to go just with one at the time. I don't have a rush to win. Yesterday was a super good day because I have 2 wins, and that's because today I will completely okay if my trades go break even, because yesterday I won twice. So this was my approach to the euro today, completely bearish as well with the GBP, but with the GBP we have the news. So I was thinking like a GBP will explode to external range liquidity. So there is not a problem that I will use literally this level from here to take it out of my trade. If you look the chart, look at this. That is the imbalance from the 15-minute chart. I'm out. From the 15-minute chart, and I was thinking that the price could come here, mitigate this area, and why not? Take my TP. Even we have a 4 hours hidden base right there. So the price didn't tap the hidden base right here, we create this liquidity here, and now we have this order block from here. So everything here, I think, is a smart money wrap. So a lot of wrappers there will be trapped, like my case here with my break-even trade. So I'm out break-even. That's fine. That's part of the job. So yeah, I got this break-even in GBP, and theoretically a win in the euro, but sadly I didn't put this trade on, so I just saw my trade going in a win direction, but yeah, I screw it, I guess. So with the miscalculation, I'm just learning, so it's okay. And in euro, I use 5.5, and the other one I use 6.6. Whatever. I don't have to change that. And now, yesterday, I was looking really, really careful to the price action, what happened yesterday, for example, and I have all this liquidity from here. So at some point, I wanted to short, because I found really nice levels around inside this area from here, thinking that this will be in internal range liquidity, and somewhere around here we can have a key level so we can push to the downside. Sadly, it wasn't the situation, and market just keep pushing to the upside until my imbalance in 1 hour, and then it pushed down again. So that was a good reading for euro. I'm quite happy that I took this long from here, considering all these weeks as my liquidity, and entering in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. There you go. Entering in 30 minutes imbalance here, right here. So I set my order, and I went outside because I cannot look at the charts. To be honest, I cannot look at the charts when this is happening. And this was my trade. So I have yesterday a short that we went from here, from this area down, and then I have this long from here to upside. And sadly today I lost these two trades, but it was completely, this was my first option. And then I start to look to the GBP, and I'm happy that I took it in break even. Otherwise, I will be completely now taking a loss, unnecessarily lost. So I was so close for my TP, like a two, yeah, three, three pips. And only for 3 pips, instead of taking 200, I took 0 plus commissions. So yeah. Ooh, almost the trade is dead. But yeah, the trade is already dead because it took me out and break even right at that point. So you can see there in the chart. That was my entry. That was my break even point. So yep, I think this is for today. As I say, this is just manipulation, because soonish should we have some news. Also, I'm looking at a lot to the dollar index, and the dollar index looks like, yeah, I mean, that's my my key level here. Unmitigated week for 4 hour, and we can see like completely the reaction. If I was looking at the chart all the time, I will wait from here and from this point. So let's say at 11:30, let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So let's say 11:15, I will take a long. 11:15. So this was my long entry. 11:15. Where is my, what do I have here? I only had that unmitigated week there. And we can see how the market was giving a perfect long entry when we have liquidity, internal liquidity between this point and this point, using this as a POI, bouncing and going directly to target. So that's the nice of the fractalization of the market. We can just use this order block from here. Then this was the low point, and that was your trade. But as I'm not active when I put a trade because I get nervous, I learn like just to set and forget. I set my trade, I put my break-even point. My break-even point was Asia range liquidity. So as soon as my trade went to below this level, my trade automatically jumped into break even, and I was waiting, and looks so close from glory, but that's what happened. Tomorrow is going to be a new day, and I'm happy if I can see the opportunities in the market and not chasing them, because when you chase and then you start to force things, then is where you get trapped. And here I have another level, but that was for the upside. Now the key levels are acting as a support in the beginning, and when we are breaking them, we can use them as a breaker. I mean, this become a breaker block. So in case that we have liquidity here, this breaker block completely could be valid for a short position. But as I say, I'm out and done for today.